Hi guys, welcome back to another video of mine. Today I'm going to be doing some single plaits, aka box braids in my natural hair. I haven't done these in a while. I used to do them all the time, but I stopped because it's so time consuming and you have to have energy in order to sit down and do box braids by yourself. So anyway, it's winter time now. I need to get into protective style mode and I've decided to do some box braids. Before this I had some faux goddess locks and then I gave my hair a 2 to 3 week break and now I'm putting some braids in again. This is the hair that I'll be using today. I really like it. It's the Xpressions collection. Ultra braid color 4/27, so it's an ombre style. I did 2 small flat twists here on each side of my head, and the reason why I did that is because my hair in the center here is becoming thin, slowly becoming thin, and I believe that's because of bad relaxers, bad tight braiding in the past, tight cane rows in the past, tight sew-ins. So that's what's affected this area, and now the slightest amount of tension that I put on it when I'm from hair extensions, it causes more thinning, and I don't want to look back 5 years from now, 10 years from now and have no hair in the center of my head. So I would rather prevent it. So this is my reason for doing flat twists at the front. It's not the traditional way of doing single plaits. It's not the traditional way or the popular way of doing box braids, but it's going to save my hairline. And I learned this actually from a YouTuber called Kinky Styles 1980 here on YouTube, and it worked for her hair to help regrow her hairline and her nape. So that's what I'll be doing. So as I've explained in a previous video of mine, I did say that I cut the back of my hair simply because I was fed up with the state of it and I want it to grow from fresh. And I'll do another video on how I take care of my nape area. So when I braid, I start off by pretending that I'm going to cane row, and then I just go into the single plait or the box braid, and I try to do it neat enough and secure enough without it being too tight whereby it's going to give me a headache. I ended up only needing 2 packs for this whole entire hairstyle. And as I go along, I will massage some shea butter into my hair prior to putting the extensions in. I find that this helps to smooth out my kinky hair so that I have not too much sticking out of the braid. And this is me more than halfway through my head. I've just got the top section left. I'm showing you how long the hair is. And of course you guys can make your braids much smaller or much bigger if you want to, and your box partings much smaller or much bigger if you want to. But I like this type of box braids because it doesn't feel heavy on my head, it doesn't hurt my neck, and the most important thing for me is being able to put my hair up in one at night and sleep easy. So at the end of this box braids, I'm just gonna dip the hair in hot water, put some mousse on my hair, tie it down, sit under a dryer for 10 to 15 minutes, and then go ahead and put some oil sheen and some holding spray and some oil to my scalp. I'll also trim any flyaways and trim the ends of the braiding hair. And I really just taught myself how to box braid simply by watching other people. That's how I did it. That's how I learned prior to coming onto YouTube and learning more. And I had a friend who taught me a few things as well. So it might look like a daunting task, but anybody can practice and learn. And of course, practice makes perfect. So this is the end results, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.